What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Once again, here Edgar Lopez on your screen devices, and today I'm gonna show you how to make shrimp lettuce wraps. This meal is not only super easy to make, it is also super tasty and super healthy. And it is gonna be super helpful for those who wanna lose weight or that are going through a cutting season, because it's gonna provide to you with 4 grams of fats, 4 grams of carbs, 30 grams of protein, and only 160 calories. And the things we're gonna need are 1 pound of detailed and clean shrimp, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, iceberg lettuce leaves, half orange, the juice of 2 limes, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. First, we're gonna get a skillet and we're gonna let it warm up. Once it's warm enough, we're gonna add the olive oil. Once the oil is hot enough, we're gonna add the shrimp. And now we add the paprika, the black pepper, and the salt. Once the juice has dried a little, we're gonna squeeze the half orange on top of the shrimp. Once it's looking a little dry again, we're gonna add the lime juice. Once the shrimp is cooked, the only thing we have to do now is wraps with the lettuce leaves. Alright guys, let's eat! If you want more healthy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, please leave a like and share it throughout all your social media. Once again, my name is Edgar Lopez and I hope you keep having an amazing time. See you next video.